The Game and Tech Dome host is not a role model. He's not even that smart. He's practically a cartoon. Some of the things he does would cause a person to get hurt, expelled, arrested, possibly deported. To put it another way, don't try this at home.
Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be checking out this Powerbook G5. Or wait, is it G4? Oh shit. It's a Powerbook, the G4, and I bought this under the assumption that it's untested because there's no power cord. I always assume that it's just broken and they don't want to say that it's broken, maybe get a couple extra bucks out of it. But it was cheap enough, so I decided to purchase said Powerbook G4. So I mean, it's in decent shape. It doesn't look like it's used a whole lot. The keyboard's in really nice shape. You know, the trackpad isn't too worn down. So usually you can tell if it's been used a lot by wear on the keys and everything, obviously. But first thing I want to do before I turn it on is just kind of look at the user panels here, just to see what's there. I don't even know if the hard drive's in there or the memory or anything. So we're going to take a look at that. Don't know what door this is, but we'll check it out. That sucker's in there. There we go. Just need the right tool for the job. Alright, so yeah, this is the memory. So it looks like the memory is there. Looks like maybe it's a gigabyte of memory. There's 512 on the top. And there is 512 on the bottom. So there you go. There is the memory. We will leave that off for now and take the battery out. Okay, there's the battery. Don't know if it's actually a good battery, but I think what we'll do is, we'll keep it in there, I guess. Now I'm assuming you have to take the back panel off just to see if the hard drive is there. So we'll do that. Looks like there's only. I'll keep this battery out while we do that. Okay, so assuming this just comes off, maybe. Unless I'm missing a screw. Get a couple screws loose myself. Is there more? Oh, these might be. Yeah, it looks like these here are part of the case, maybe. Come on, get out of there. It's getting loose somewhat. Oh, there's more screws on the side. Looks like. I hope all these screws are the same, because these gonna get mixed up. Okay, so I saw more on the side here. Back here. I'm thinking since these are Phillips that this is supposed to be user replaceable, I would assume anyways, but I do see like a blue, I'm assuming that's like a blue security coat. You know, they just kind of paint it on there or something, I don't know. It's out of warranty anyways, so who cares? Okay, there's more in the back. I'm assuming that this thing has the battery in, or the hard drive in it, since I don't know if somebody's going to go through the trouble to do this, just to take the hard drive out, but you never know. I guess they would if they're getting rid of it or whatever, throwing it in the garbage. And we're still pretty well secure, it seems. Holy cow. I see more screws here. I don't know if I want to take them out though. I think it might be time to use the Googles. Okay, so I looked at how to replace the hard drive in here. It looks like it's pretty involved. You gotta pry the thing apart. I don't really want to do that right now. So what I'm going to do is just put it back together and just see if it works, and then I'll worry about taking the thing apart. So I'm just going to put these screws back in, but you're not going to watch that because it's going to be way too boring. So we'll speed it up. Okay, we are ready to power it on. We've got the power adapter that the seller did not have. So what we're going to do is unravel that, plug her in. Hopefully the actual power adapter works. And we're plugging it in. Plugged in. Looks like it works. It's glowing over here. Glowing, if you can see. It's turned to amber, so it looks like the power adapter does work. I'm sure the battery's completely dead. So, moment of truth. This may be the shortest video in internet history. Okay, power button. I hear things. It sounds like it's working so far. We just got to worry about the screen turning on. I hear a hard drive. Oh, I see something on the screen there, if you can see that, but it's really dull. Don't know if any of the brightness setting buttons work at this point, but we'll just let it load up and see what it boots into. Looks like we got Mac OS 10 on here. Yeah, it's really dull. 2001. Well, I mean, hey, at least it works. So that's pretty awesome. You got Adobe, Microsoft Word. Let's go to About. Yeah, the brightness is all the way up, but it seems really dull. But hey, at least it works, man. You can kind of see there's a really bad bleeding going on around, so. And it's only seeing 512. It says it's empty. Interesting. So yeah, you can see there's some, it's like dark right in this area. Looks like there's like some pressure on the back of it. You can see as I'm flexing it, it's kind of doing a cool little the LCD thing. No, classic environments on. What version was this? 10.4.11. Sweet. I don't know, there's probably really nothing too exciting on this thing. Looks like it's all been wiped clean, for the most part anyways. So it looks like it does work. There's no disk in there. What else do we want to do here? Yeah, it looks like it's been wiped clean, but it looks customized, you know what I mean? It looks like I can connect to the internet. We are on the intranet. So it has brightened up a little bit, which is cool. Yeah, it's just been, all the personal settings were reset, so that's what it looks like to me. So what I'm going to do is get 10.4 Fox on here. It actually looks like that dark area is kind of clearing up too. It's actually working pretty darn good, if you ask me. I can live with the LCD. I mean, it does look like it's kind of clearing up, so this actually seems to be running. It runs really good, actually. 10.4 Fox G5, 10.4 G4 Pro. Which one do I use? Oh, let's use the 10.4 Fox downloader. So I'm pretty happy. Yeah, that spot cleared up pretty good, and it's nice and bright. Yeah, I'm happy with it. It's got the version of Mac OS that I wanted on it already, so I don't have to worry about installing anything. Unless I want to do a clean install, but which I might eventually do, because it looks like the hard drive is split up, so I may do that. But change an application, continue. Probably shouldn't even be wasting my time doing this. Yeah, I think we're gonna just go ahead and stop this and just completely reinstall Mac OS. Just take a look through the hard drive here real quick again. Let's see, applications. I mean, it does have Illustrator. Oh, it has Photoshop on it too. Maybe we will keep this. Damn. We might have to keep this on here. It's got Photoshop. Could not synchronize the color setting. Okay, whatever. I probably should disconnect from the internet. Turn off. Look at that. Nice. Yeah, we might have to keep this on here. Although I could just reinstall this stuff myself. Predicament. Well, anyways, if I do the reinstall, it's all going to look the same anyways, so. I think that's it for the video. I just wanted to do just like something a little different where I buy something that's not working because I don't have the power cord, not tested type of thing, you know. I think my fingers are flying. I want to thank you for watching. There's going to be another similar video coming up, maybe in the next week or so. Have yourself a good day. Leave some comments, thumbs up, subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Have a good one. Okay, I just want to do a little quick follow-up. I now have 1 GB of RAM. I didn't seat it properly when I took it out and put it back in. And also, I wanted to test the CD drive, and the CD drive works just fine. So, and it looks like, where the hell did it go? Oh, there it is. Okay, so, customize. Powerbook G4, yep. Install, please. Speakers work. Okay, so where did it go? What did I do? Oh, there it is. Oh my god. There we go. Oh. I saw something. Oh shit. What did I do? Doesn't look like it works. Son of... Oh, whatever. You get the idea. Thanks for watching.